Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are safe at your homes and enjoying with your parents, family members, brothers, sisters, everyone. So I hope you all are doing all the questions given by your teachers regularly. Students, enjoy being with your family and try to learn as more as you can. So today I'm going to explain you Unit 4. I hope you will like the concept. It is very easy for you. So let's get started. Good luck, stay safe, and most importantly, be happy. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Students, today I'm going to explain you Unit 4, Simple Addition and Subtraction. As the name itself suggests, it is a very simple chapter for you, as you all have done addition and subtraction in your previous class too. So I'm going to explain you this chapter here. So let's start. Unit 4, Simple Addition and Subtraction. What are addition? If we are adding something in any order, so the result which we get is the same. The sum of numbers in any order is the same. This is the first point which our topic suggests us. So the sum of numbers in any order. What does it mean? It means that, for example, if I am taking 5 plus 7 plus 2. So our answer will be 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. If I am changing their order, like if I am doing 5 plus 2 first and then adding 7 with them. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Plus 7 is equals to 14. So the answer will be same in both the cases. So the sum of numbers in any order is the same. I hope you all got it. Second point. Number plus 0 is equals to same number. If you are adding 0 with any of the number, whether it is 5, 6, 7 or whatever, you will get the same number as your result. Again with subtraction you can do it. 5 minus 0. If you are subtracting 0 from any of the number, then you will get the same number. But if you are subtracting any number from 0, you will not get the same number. Okay, so for addition it goes on vice versa. यानी अगर आप नंबर को 0 के साथ ऐड करते हो या 0 को नंबर के साथ ऐड करते हो, you will get the same number. But for subtraction, if you are subtracting 0 from any number, then only you will get the same number. Okay, now exercise 4a. In this exercise, very simple questions you have of addition. Like first question, 6 plus 5. So 6 plus 5, what it is? It is 11, right? If I will add 5 plus 6, so 5 plus 6 is also 11. I have changed the order, but the result is same. So this ensures our first point of our unit. Okay, now I have second question. 2 plus 0 plus 5. The 2 plus 0 is 2 only, because number plus 0 is equals to same number. So 2 plus 0 is 2 only. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. Is it clear? If I will change the order, 2 plus 5 plus 0. So it will be what? 2 plus 5 is what? 7. And 7 plus 0 is what? 7 only. So the result in both the cases are same. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What it is? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Yes. If I change the order, like if I have done 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So what will be our answer? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So our result is same in both the cases. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0, 6 only. Is it clear? So the concept of these two things are understood by you all very clearly. I am repeating it again for you. The sum of numbers in any order is the same. Yani if you are adding any of the numbers in any kind of order, the result which you get will be same. Number plus 0 is equals to same number. If you are adding any number with 0, you will get the same number as your result. Now exercise 4b. Question is expand and add. So in the previous video I told you what is expand. Expand करना means किसी भी word को we are expanding to the greater. Like if I am having 163, if you will say कि ma'am expand this number, तो what it will be? 100 plus 60 plus 3. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now with the question 321 plus 45, I have to expand this number. It will be what? 300 plus 20 plus 1 plus sign with we have 45. 45 will be 40 plus 5. Clear? Now 100 place में only we have 300, so write it as it is. Plus now for the tens place we have two digit 20 and 40, to write them together. Then for the ones place we have only 1 and 5. Okay, 300 again we have to write, plus 20 plus 40 is 60, plus 5 plus 1 6. तो what it will be? 366. तो यहाँ से इस स्टेप में जाने के लिए what we have done? We have done the short form method. We have used the short form method here. Right? Is it clear? Now again I have the same different question for you. 524 plus 333. So I have to expand it. 500 plus 20 plus 4 plus 333, 300 plus 30 plus 3. अब hundreds place वाली चीज़ we have to write together. 500 plus 300. Then tens place we have to write together. 20 plus 30. Then ones place we have 4 plus 3. Now 500 plus 300 will be 800, plus 20 plus 30 will be 50, plus 4 plus 3 is 7. So what will be our answer? It is 857. So this is very easy now to expand any number and add them accordingly. Okay. Now next we have this type of questions. Okay. Very easy method I am going to tell you. So listen it very clearly. 32 plus 46. We have two numbers, two digits in each number. Okay. What I have to do is first of all add the ones digit. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay. Now add the tens place wala digit. 4 plus 3 is 7 and you will get the right answer. Clear? Now with the same method I'll do this question. 72 plus 16. So ones digit is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. So you will get the right answer. Up now you have one question in your mind that if you do not have the same number of digits on both the ends, what would you do? So I have those questions also with you. For you, 269 plus 30. Now one number is of 3 digit and the other number is of 2 digit. What would you do in this question now? First of all add with the ones place. 0 plus 9 is 9 only, because we have seen earlier, we have seen in this video only कि 0 plus any number will gives us the same number as result. Okay. Now tens place. 3 plus 6 is also 9. Now 100 place. अब in this number you don't have any 100 place, so consider it as 0. In this number you have 2 as your 100 digit. So 2 plus 0 will be again 2. So this will be your right answer. Now for this question, 27 plus 421. Ones digit is 1 and 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8. टेंस डिजिट में you have 2 and 2, so that is 4. Now 100 place में you have 4 here, but no digit is here, to consider it as a 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 only. You will get the right answer. Next question, 264 plus 534. तो ones digits में we have 4 plus 4 8, tens digit में 3 plus 6 9, and 100 digits में we have 5 plus 2 7. So is it clear to all of you? You can do each type of question in this manner. Okay. Exercise 4C, addition. First question. Now there in this exercise your question is in the form of columns. They are already arranged in columns. So it is your ones place, this is tens, and this is hundreds place. So first of all I will start adding them with ones place. 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 6 again 8, 5 plus 3 again 8. So you will get your answer. Now in this question again, this is your ones digit place, so 0 plus 0 plus 3, your answer will be 3 only. Tens में you have 0 plus 5 plus 2, so 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 0 is 7 only. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So in this manner you can do add 3 digit numbers also if they are 3 numbers of 3 digits. Okay. Now this question has different question. You have 1 digit number also and you have 2 digit number also. So what should you do? You will add the ones digit place first. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 0 again 6, 6 plus 2 8. Now you don't have any digit, to consider them 0. 0 0 0 होता है. 4 plus 3 7. You will get the right answer. Now next question is 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 only. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So this is also very easy. You can do this type of questions also very clearly. Exercise 4D, addition. Already you have with you ones, tens, 100, 1000. So our first question is 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, and you will get your right answer. Second question, ones place में you have 1 and 8, so 1 plus 8 is 9. Tens place में you have 5 and 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. Now hundreds place you have 0 and 9, so 0 plus 9 is also 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. So you will get your answer in the same manner. So these type of questions you can do. You have a lot of questions of these types, so you all can do it. Arrange and add. Now what is to arrange them? मतलब उन्हें arrange किस चीज़ में करना है? You have to arrange them like this question. You have to arrange them in columns so that you can add them. So I am doing it. 3 7 4 5. First of all write down the first number, 3745. Okay. Now you have 241. Okay. So first of all write ones, tens, 100 and 1000 here. Now you have 241. तो 2 is at hundreds place, तो 100 वाला जो कॉलम है उसमें आप 2 लिखेंगे and then 4 and then 1. Okay. Add and you can add them. और एक और तरीका होता है, what is कि 3745 आपने लिखा, उसके बाद what you will do, start with the ones digit. ones digit में लिखा and then next follow करते हुए उसको लिखो and you will not get confused in these type of questions. ones digit में you have 5 and 1, तो 5 plus 1 6. tens में 4 plus 4 8. hundreds में 7 plus 2 9. 3 nothing is there, so 3 remain. Okay. Now this question you have 4175, and then you have, what you have to do is last digit से शुरू कीजिए 2 1 7 4 and you will not do any mistake while doing this. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 7 is also 8. 4 plus 4, 8. You will also get right question and right answer with both the methods, right? Now next question is, now you have 4-digit number, 3-digit number and 2-digit number. Now what to do? First of all, write down the greatest number or the number which comes first, 4521. Then you have 323. So I told you start with the ones digit or from the last में 3 है, उसके बाद 2, उसके बाद 3. Digit के नीचे digit after digit you have to write. Now you have 24. So your ones digit is 4 and then followed by 2. Add them. What you can do is, just to complete all the numbers, जहाँ भी space is empty, you have to put the zeros. This will benefit you in doing your addition. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 0 will be 4. Okay, got it? Now the question here as well, 7427. Now again I will write down the digits from the last only. 0, 4, 3, 1. 1 and 3. Okay, put addition sign. Now the space which are empty, write down zeros there. If you will not write anything, then also it goes fine. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 0, 7 only. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. You will get your right answer. Clear? Now I have next question with 4 numbers in it and 4 digits in each number. So I will first of all write the first number, 2354, and then I have 1 3 1 3. What I have done is, मैंने last से शुरू किया उसको लिखना, so that I don't get confused or my answer would be accurate. 4 0 1 1. So it is 11 1104. Next is 0 1 3 and 2. Okay, 2310. Now add all the numbers. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And you will get your right answer. I hope all the questions are clear to you. Okay. Now we have word sums. Word sums are those word problems, number problems, which we use in our daily life, or with which we can able to draw a particular thing, like where we are using these addition or these subtraction in our daily life. You all must be thinking, students, you all must be thinking ki ma'am, why we are understanding this addition, subtraction? Then let me clear you, because they are used in your daily life. How come? Let's go with the example. Question is, in our school, let's consider it for our school only. In our school, the girls planted 232 saplings. Saplings are the small plants जिनको हम सबसे पहले plant करते हैं and then they grow on and form tree. Okay. The boys planted 156 more saplings than the girls did. What does it mean? इसका मतलब है the girls planted 232 saplings only and the boys planted 156 more. यानी the number of saplings girls planted, boys planted more than them. Okay, girls से वो ज़्यादा plant करते हैं. तो what should we have to do? We have to how many saplings did the boys plant? हमें we have to find out कि how many saplings boys have planted. तो as it is written in the word problem only कि boys ने 156 ज़्यादा plant किए हैं than the girls. तो ज़्यादा के लिए, मोर के लिए what should we do? We have to add. तो for a word sum we have to write word statements also. So what I have to do is यहाँ पे saplings girls planted. अब गर्ल्स ने कितने सैपलिंग्स प्लांट किए थे? जस्ट हैव अ लुक, 232. सो 232. नाउ इफ आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि हाउ मेनी सैपलिंग्स बॉय प्लांटेड, तो बॉयज प्लांटेड is equals to what? I have to add 156 in the number. Why so? Because it is given in our question. So if I add 6 plus 2 8, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 1 3. So boys planted itna saplings, 388 saplings. Okay, so this is your word sums, right? If you are having more in any sum, you have to simply add in that question. Now next question also I have. Mr. Ganeshan bought 400 blue bulbs, right? 260 red bulbs and 125 yellow bulbs on Diwali. How many bulbs did he buy all together? All together मतलब एक साथ, ठीक है? All together में क्या करना है? That means we have to add all the types of bulbs he has bought. So what should I do? First of all I will write कि blue bulbs, how many blue bulbs he buy? So it is 400. And then how many red bulbs he buy or he bought? It is 260. Okay, and then yellow bulbs. Okay, so yellow bulbs are 125. Is it clear? Now how many bulbs did he buy all together? So total, I have to find out the total of the bulbs he bought. So I will add all the number of bulbs. 0 plus 0 plus 5 will be 5 only. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, Mr. Ganeshan bought 785 bulbs all together. Okay, यानी एक साथ उन्होंने कितने bulbs buy किए हैं? 785. Clear? Now from exercise 4E we have subtraction questions. So before going to the questions, I am going to explain you 2 points related to subtraction. If you are subtracting 0 from any number, so what you will get? You will get the result as same number. Okay, and the second thing is, if you are subtracting any number from the same number, okay, then what result would you get? You will get 0. For example, if I am subtracting 5 from 5, so what answer you will get? 0. If you are subtracting 0 from 5, then you will get 5 as your answer. Is it clear? Now let's start with our exercise 4E. Subtract 9 minus 6. It is very simple. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now next question. It is a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. How to subtract them is, 1 digit में से सबसे पहले subtract करो. 5 minus 3 is 2 and the rest digit will remain as it is, and you will get to confirm it also. 15 minus 3 is 12. Up this question contains 3 digits in them. Next question is 738 minus 123. तो how should I subtract it? 1 digit से 1 digit को subtract करो. 8 minus 3 is 5. Then we have 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So you will get your answer. Next question. 987 minus 876. 7 minus 6. These are on the unit places. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 7, they are on the tens places, it is also 1. 9 minus 8, the digits on 100 places, 9 minus 8 is 1, and you will get your answer. Now some of the digits are already given to you in the form of columns, so how to subtract them? Already it is given to us, it is ones, tens and hundreds. So at the ones place we have 4 2. 4 minus 2 will be 2 only. 5 minus 3 also 2 only, and you will get your correct answer. Now next is 8 minus 5 3, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus nothing is there, to consider it 0. 2 minus 0 is 2 only. Next is 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 3 is again 5, and we will get our answer. Now some questions are given to you. First of all, you have to write these numbers in column form with the same method as we have done in addition. Last digit is 4, 4 and then 1. So now we can subtract it easily. 5 minus 4 is 1, 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, and you will get your answer. Now in this question, 598, last digit is 4, 7 and then 4. Subtract 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus nothing is there, so there should be 0, it is 5, and you will get your answer. Now we have our exercise 4F, arrange and subtract. Arrange means to arrange them in columns, that we have done in this question also. So let us arrange it. 7777. So let's start writing the number from the end. 6, 5, 4 and 3. Let us subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1, 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 4 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. You will get your answer. Now next question, 9507. Then 3, 0, 2 and 4. Let's subtract it. 7 minus 3 is 4, then 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, and you will get your answer. Okay. Now next we have we have word sums on subtraction. So how to subtract any of the number, we can see that in word sums. A word sum are the same thing, which shows us that how these subtraction questions are used in our day-to-day life. Okay. First question is, by how much is 87 greater than 72? That means कितने से 87 greater है 72. ठीक है, 72. तो 87 कितना greater है 72 से, then है ना, तो greater than 72, तो we have to subtract. तो what should I do? I have to subtract 72 from 87. Okay, so what should I do? 7 minus 2 is 5 and 8 minus 7 is 15. So what will be our statement? That by 15 is our answer. So by 15 is 87 greater than 72. That means 87 72 से कितना बड़ा है? 15 बड़ा है. यानी अगर 87 में मैं 15 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूँ तो you will get 72. 72 में मैं 15 ऐड कर दूँ तो you will get 87. तो 87 72 से कितना बड़ा है? 15 बड़ा है. ओके. Now your question is next, by how much is 236 less than 496? This is also same. 236 496 से कितना छोटा है? So for this also I have to subtract. Always remember that you are subtracting any of the number which is greater to the lesser number. Okay. हम बड़े में से ही किसी छोटे नंबर को subtract करते हैं. तो 6 minus 6 is 0, 9 minus 3 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So what will be your statement? By 260 is 236 less than 496. तो दैट मीन्स 236 496 से कितना छोटा है, 260 छोटा है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अरमान स्कोर्ड 6872 points in a game and Vivek scored 8994 points. So what was the difference between their score? So I just tell you, difference is अंतर. अंतर यानी उनके बीच में कितना अंतर है. तो to find out that difference, what you have to do is you have to subtract the greater number from with the smaller number. Okay, so what I will do, first of all I will write the scores. Okay, तो विवेक का स्कोर कितना है, विवेक scored how much, it is 8994. and how much Arman scored, so Arman scored, up from the last you have to write. Okay, so that no problem should be there. Let's subtract them. 4 minus 2 will be 2, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 8 minus 6 is 2. So, okay, so what was the difference between their score? So the difference is equals to 2122. Okay, always remember, whenever there is the word difference in your question, you have to subtract the smaller number from the greatest one. Okay, बड़े में से छोटे को subtract करना है. Clear? Now next question we have, a baker has to bake 2850 cupcakes. Cupcakes, they are very tasty ना, chocolatey cupcakes that we all like a lot. So एक baker है who is baking 250 cupcakes. ठीक है, if he has baked यानी this he has already done 1320 cakes. अगर वो ऑलरेडी बेक कर चुका है 1320 cakes, how many more does he have to bake? उसको और कितने केक्स बेक करने हैं? अगर उसको इतने केक्स बेक करने थे टोटल, उसमें से वो इतने बेक कर चुका है, तो हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट? सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं, ग्रेटर नंबर में से स्मॉलर नंबर को. स्मॉलर नंबर को हम बाद में लिखते हैं एंड वी ऑलवेज राइट इट फ्रॉम द एंड. तो लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 3 5, 2 minus 1 1. तो how many more does he have to bake? तो he have to bake how many? 1530 more cupcakes. Is it clear? So how many more cupcakes he have to bake? He have to bake 1530 more cupcakes. Now next question. Suzanne and Raj reached the finals of a music contest. One music contest was being held and Suzanne and Raj both participated in it. So both of them reached to the finals. Suzanne got 6278 votes. Suzanne को कितने votes मिले? 6278 votes मिले and she won by 155 votes. वो राज से 155 वोट्स जीत जाती है. तो हाउ मेनी वोट्स डिड राज गेट? अब हाउ शुड आई फाइंड आउट, मैं कैसे फाइंड आउट करूँ राज को कितना वोट्स मिला होगा? व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 155 फ्रॉम दिस नंबर. तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई विल राइट 6278, उसमें से मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करूँ 155. तो व्हाट शुड आई गेट? 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 and 6. तो राज get 6123 votes. Okay, अब you can see कि Suzanne got 6278 votes but Raj got 6123 votes. That's why Suzanne won the contest. Is it clear to all of you? I hope this video will definitely beneficial for you all. So बहुत आराम से, बहुत slowly listen all the questions carefully. You can pause the video, do the question, you can retreat everything. Okay, so good luck. Very importantly, be happy. Goodbye.